Hi everyone, this is Dayanadi, Assistant Professor at Department of Business Administration from KCES, Kasaragod College of Arts and Science. Today class we about the process and different tools of public relation in customer relationship management. What is public relation? The public relations are the management function that identifies, establishes and maintains mutual beneficial relationship between an organizations and the various publics to whom its success or failure dependent. According to the British Council of Indian Institutions of Public Relations, PR is a described and planned a sustained effect of establish and maintain a mutual understanding between an organization and its public. According to the Public Relations Society of America, the public relation is a philosophy that functions of management expressed in policy and practice which serves the people or public to secure the understanding and growth. The process of public relations. The process of public relations is understandable in place and service of step by established quality in focus. The process of PR or fact finding, planning, communication and research evaluation. This is all the process of PR. And felt and fact findings. A public relations person's particular after joining must understand the corporate objectives, know various publics. It has to find out the problems and challenges and strength and weakness of the organization by personal as well as collective effect. Planning. There are at least 4 primary reasons of planning PR or to estimate the cost of man-hour involved, decide priority along the multitude of operations, the set of targets of PR operations, to consider the feasibility of carrying out of intended objective according to and available resources. The communication. One of the most important human innovations is the new millennium in the increasing speed information transfer. In essence of innovations in information transfers brings it to public relation practicing and closer and stakeholders who will be ultimately until the informations of relevance to them. The tools for public relation campaigns are external media, the internal media, media relation, community relations, government relations, using photograph, working with individual group, using advertising, other publicity, direct method of communication. So this is our tools to most important tools to use of public relation. The external media are newspaper, radio, magazine, television, film and traditional media. Newspaper, the most broadcast media, has become the predominant influence in our society. The newspaper remains the powerful position. Though it is a newspaper, may information to public relation able to reach many external publics of the organization. Radio is a primary medium of news and entertainment with the commentaries, talk shows and debates. In India, whether many peoples are lived in village, for those who are reach rural audience or through newspaper information, through entertainment programs to feed programs. Television. The television is now the most pervasive and most influent medium of mass communication. The television has impact of realisms of welcome to everywhere and the reality available for publicity medium for the public relation practitioner. Magazines are the important medium for product news, future stories and pictures publicity which has affordable space till the complete stores are unsuitable for service or educational and publicity articles. Films. The films is a very powerful tool for PR and a medium of communications, instructions, education and entertainment, marketing and research, etc. The greater impact of because of the powerful appeals of the eyes or ears and sense. Effective learning of rate of account of ordinary and visual quality. Accuracy of reproductions on the objectives of the event. Traditional media. The traditional media have played a very important role in solving several emotional problems. It is developing for countries whether the literacy is widespread and communication scarcity. The folk media assume the great importance in Indian music, dance, drama always played an important role in element of harmony and emotional and outbursters relationship of the caste, creed, religions and language issues, etc. Internal medias are house journal, bulletin board, annual report, printed literature. The media relations, press conference, press release, press tour, exhibitions. The press conference is a traditional method of giving information to direct use to the face-to-face communication and techniques. Exhibitions are the important medium of project of an organization's material, process, products on its activity, service, idea of the public. It is an extended opportunity and personal contact with the prospective consumers and consumers or dealers. Community relationships, government relations. The functions of PR as a government is essential, non-political. PR is a government department have two main tasks: to give a regular information to policy, plan, activities and the achievement of the department, to information and educate the public, to legislation and regulations of the matters affect to daily life of citizen. The other publicities are leaflets, stickers, level and direct mail. The direct communications method are electronic display, sign, postcard, letter, word of mouth, and communicating and telephone of PR device and speakers. Thank you.